I wanted to go over the Culinary Arts 1 final assessment for you, and it is in two parts. So the first part is you create a menu, and you can decide if it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and you want to follow the My Plate guidelines, which means you want to include the 5 parts of the plate. If you remember those: protein, dairy, fruits, vegetables, grains. And you also want to think about a variety of color in your meal and a variety of shapes, a variety of texture, and a variety of flavors. You will also list the nutrients in your menu and the function of that nutrient. And I just gave a very basic breakfast: egg bake, ham, orange slices, and milk. So you notice I have color. I would have different texture. And then I would also have some different flavors. I kind of have a sour with the orange slices. I could have, depending on what kind of ham I use, it could be a sweet honey ham. So there'd be some different flavors in there as well. Then I would analyze what are the nutrients. And I said, for example, one of the nutrients in ham would be protein. And then I'm going to write, protein is needed for building and repairing body tissues and muscles. Maybe I would say it has vitamin A. Vitamin A is needed for vision. Those are the kind of things that I would like you to put down when you're analyzing what the nutrients are in your menu. There is a sheet attached for part 1 that you fill out. It's pretty simple to do. Part 2 is a reflection of this trimester. I have 3 questions and I've typed them out on the attached sheet of part 2. 3 things is the first one that you found out that you did that were safe when you were cooking. Lots of possible answers. I turned my pot handles inward. I remembered to put my hair back, are just a couple of examples. 2, summarize the different things you cooked. What did you learn in the process? What skills did you get to practice and improve? Now, I know some of you didn't do all the labs, but I would venture to guess almost all of you did a couple of them. And so analyze about that, or different things that you've cooked at home during the pandemic. 3, overall, what did you learn about foods this trimester? And what is the next thing you want to learn to do in order to improve your cooking skills? So these 3 questions are attached to part 2, and I left space in between for you to type in your answers. If you have any questions, I will be live on Tuesday. And also, always, you can send me a message on Schoology or email me at lhenry, Henry, at district16.org. Once you finish this is the last assignment. There aren't other assignments unless you need to complete work to get a passing grade or a better grade to get credit for the course. You can keep working till June 4th. Otherwise, those of you that finish this and have a great grade and are ready to go, you are done. So thanks for the class. Again, if you have questions, let me know, and good luck with finishing up your work.